Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be reviewing the My First Kitchen Playset by Chad Valley. First we have to open it. Now let's take out the parts. There we go, the last bag. Here's the first item. And here are the knives and forks. And the rest of the things to make our kitchen. Here's the top part of the kitchen, and it has a clock in the middle. And here's our main kitchen. Let's put it all together. First, let's put the faucet. Now let's put in a little compartment that's going to hold our knives and forks. And then we have to add in our pan with our fried egg. Looks delicious. Don't forget our plates. The stove also has many different sounds, and it's amazing. Look at how cool it sounds. I hope you liked today's video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye!